Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to quickly duplicate a page on your Wix website, maybe to recreate a layout, keep your branding consistent, or just save time building new sections, you're in the right place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to duplicate a page in Wix step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to copy any page you want, so you can streamline your website building process and avoid having to start from scratch every time. Let's dive right in. So first things first, head over to your Wix website design dashboard. This is the central hub where all the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, just enter your credentials and Wix will bring you straight to the editor for the site you're working on. Give the page a moment to load. Sometimes if you have a lot of elements or pages, it can take a few seconds. Now this is the space where you change layouts, tweak widgets, and most importantly for today, manage your pages. Next up, locate the panel on the left side of your screen and look for the button labeled Pages and Menu. This panel basically acts as the sitemap for your website, letting you preview and switch between all your existing pages. By clicking on Pages and Menu, you'll bring up a list of every page you currently have. Think of it like flipping through the chapters of a book. Each one represents a separate piece of your website. Now scroll through the list and select the page you want to duplicate. Maybe it's a beautifully designed about page or a product template you want to reuse. Hover your mouse over the page name and over to the right, you'll spot a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is often called the More Options menu. These 3 dots are your gateway to all sorts of handy features, and today we're using them to quickly make a copy. Click on those 3 dots and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Look for the option labeled Duplicate Page and give it a click. It's as simple as that. Wix will instantly create a carbon copy of your selected page and add it right to your list. The duplicated page will usually have the same name, but with the word copy appended, just so you can easily spot which one is which. If you plan to use this page for something else, you can go ahead and rename it right away to avoid any confusion down the line. And that's the process. It may seem straightforward, but duplicating pages is one of those little tricks that can save you loads of time, especially if you're building a complex site with lots of repeating elements. If you're a perfectionist like me, this feature is a lifesaver because you don't have to reinvent the wheel each time you start a new section. If you hit any snags, for example, if you can't see the 3 dots or the duplicate button isn't showing up, don't worry. Sometimes refreshing the editor or checking your internet connection can help, and remember that only certain types of pages may be duplicated, depending on your template. Take a breath and don't be afraid to experiment a little. Wix is designed to be flexible. Alright, there you have it, your quick guide on duplicating pages in Wix. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I love hearing how you use these features. For more handy tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.